My name is Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to hire a gutter cleaner. Now, if you have tall trees around your house and the leaves tend to fall on the roof and get caught in the gutter, and that could clog up your gutter, what you'll need to do in that situation is you'll have to hire a gutter cleaner. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go in the phone book and you're going to find a couple different names of gutter cleaners in your area, and you'll want to give them a call. What you're going to want from them is you're going to want references, and you're going to want to tell them about your application, and just to make sure that they do that type of work. Make sure you call their references and ask them what type of workers they were. Were they professional? Did they get the job done right? Ask them things like that. You also want to ask this gutter cleaner if he is insured or if it requires any type of licenses, which usually a gutter cleaner doesn't, if he's licensed. Now, if he's not insured, it is okay. You just have to find out from his references if he's a reliable worker, basically, and if he'll come back to fix whatever problems he may have in that situation. So what you want to do is you want to call his references, ask him how good of a worker he is, and then you want to contact the one that you feel the most comfortable with and ask him to come look at your house. Once he looks at it, get him to give you a written estimate and signed at the bottom by him. And then once you feel comfortable with him, you'll want to get him to sign a contract with you. Always get him to sign a contract. And that'll state the price that he's going to do the project at, the scope of work, and the time frame that he's going to get it done in. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at parkerhomerenovations.com.